The man accused of killing 4 University of Idaho students was back in court today. Bryan Kohberger sat quietly during an hours-long hearing that primarily discussed the validity of genealogy and whether Kohberger's case should be paused. Our Jordan Smith was in the courtroom all day. He joins us now with what was discussed in the latest developments. Jordan.
Kirsten, lots of new developments here tonight. This trial 6 weeks away. And of course, the two things that were discussed is whether that prosecution has to turn over more evidence to the defense. And of course, whether this case would be put on pause. Late today, Judge John Judge ruling that it will not. This trial is going to proceed as scheduled. We'll tackle these issues one at a time here. We'll begin with Kohberger's defense. They argued multiple times here today that the state has not turned over all of the evidence involving DNA in this case, including conversations involving the FBI and Idaho State Police. The defense is asking for more discovery. But Prosecutor Bill Thompson adamantly said multiple times today that they had turned over everything required of them. The conversations involving the federal government is outside their reach. Whether the FBI chooses to share that information is up to them. The state says that this defense has everything that prosecutors plan on using in this trial. And that brings us back to whether or not this case would be put on pause. Late today, as I mentioned, Judge John Judge deciding that he's going to proceed as scheduled, which means that trial is going to begin October 2nd. Jury selection is going to be the week before.